Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you remember a couple of months ago, I had these L1 and R1 trigger controllers, and I used these on the PUBG game. These are made of plastic and also a little bit of fabric around there. Now I have these. These are slightly different. They're clear plastic, but instead of plastic triggers or levers, these are metal. Slightly heavier. On the release of the finger, it springs back quicker than what it does with the plastic ones and the fabric. Other than that, they're pretty much identical. The black soft pad in the middle there, the lever to fasten it to the phone, just different colour and different material on the trigger. They do feel better, so they feel a bit more premium than the previous lot, and that the trigger feels a hell of a lot better. See, the plastic one feels a bit spongy. This one's got more of a click to it and quicker response, I think. So I can pop these on the Pixel and have a look. So just as before, get the controls set up. On the previous video I had the aim button on the right, not on the left, which is normally the case with most consoles. So I'm going to go back to the normal way and put the fire or the shoot button there, aim button there. Just make sure that looks about right. Let's fasten that. Okay. That's pretty much perfect there. Fastened. You can get a closer look at the triggers on the phone. Look exactly the same as they do with the plastic ones. Okay, so remember, once you're happy with that, click save. Information saved. Exit. That's going to get killed. These are actually being sold as the L3 and R3 triggers, but this is exactly the same as the L1 and R1. I don't really know why they've chose that. They do exactly the same thing, same functionality. So it is an L1 and R1, but for some reason on the website it says L3 and R3. Oh, yeah, let's jump, shall we? Let's see. Let's get some weapons first. Pistol, motorcycle helmet, there we go, a shotgun, that's more like it. And someone's found me. That's not going to work, is it? Come on. Got you. Where's the other one? Are you reloading? Yes, all that you're watching, I am a noob. I don't play this often. Got one kill there, didn't I? Sweet. I didn't do too bad there for saying I'm a noob. These triggers are definitely better than the black plastic ones and the bit of fabric. More responsive, very, very quick. Or quicker anyway. Cool. That's my testing done then. Really? These are the new, well, L3, R3 triggers for PUBG and other mobile games where you can adjust controls and move them on the screen. Links are in the description below. Pretty cool. Got 2 kills. Not bad. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, please comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.